Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Thermaltake Glacier 360. The Thermaltake Glacier 360 is a top-of-the-line pre-built gaming desktop. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X and options for an RTX 3060 bring awesome gaming performance in a design that you can upgrade yourself down the line. AMD Ryzen 5 5600X CPU water-cooled, AMD B550 chipset ATX motherboard, 16GB tough RAM DDR4 RGB, 1TB NVMe.2, Wi-Fi, Windows 10 Home. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. Graphics card brand may vary. Closed-loop liquid cooling with 240mm radiator and 3 ARGB fan. This pre-built 1 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 1 headphone, 1 mic ports. Swing door tempered glass with magnetic mounting. Dive into the depths of closed-loop cooling performance with the Glacier 360 by LCGS. Powered by AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 6-core CPU and chilled with TT cooling performance. Supercharge your graphics with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 for the latest ray tracing graphics and gameplay. Store more games with 1TB of NVMe.2 storage, packed into a mid-tower chassis with tempered glass and filtration to protect and present. Our second best pre-built gaming PC under $1,500 is Skytech Archangel 3. The Skytech new Archangel offers the best gaming computer built up to date to easily run popular games such as Call of Duty Warzone, Fernite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Battlefield V, Minecraft, The Division 2, and more at high to ultra settings, crisp 1440p Quad HD resolution and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. Experience true PC gaming performance with Skytech Gaming's new Archangel series. Featuring the newest RTX graphics technology from NVIDIA and powered by AMD's Ryzen 5 3600 6-core processor, the new Archangel delivers the best price to performance value gaming rig in the market. GeForce RTX 3060 12GB GDDR6 graphics card, 16GB DDR4 3200MHz gaming memory with heat spreaders, Windows 10 Home 64-bit. 802.11 AC, no bloatware. Graphic output options include 1x HDMI and 1x DisplayPort guaranteed. Additional ports may vary. USB ports including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HD audio and mic, free gaming keyboard and mouse. Heatsink and 3 RGB fans, powered by 80+ gold certified 600-watt power supply. Skytech Archangel 3.0 gaming case with tempered glass. Third choice in our list is CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. The Gamer Extreme VR series features the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-quick DDR RAM to easily handle system-intensive tasks, such as high-definition video playback and gaming. Coupled with powerful discrete video cards, the Gamer Extreme series provides a smooth gaming and multimedia experience. For best gaming experience, this PC has the best processor Intel Core i5-11600KF 3.9 GHz 6-core with Intel B560 chipset. 16GB DDR4 RAM experience helps you optimize data processes. 500GB PCIe SSD mostly used for PC's fast working experience and better gaming. For more space, this PC has 1TB HDD and genuine Windows 11 Home 64-bit. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB video card, which has 1 HDMI, 2 DisplayPort. Tempered glass side case panel, custom RGB case lighting, 7 colors RGB gaming mouse. Number 4 in our side is Skytech Archangel Gaming PC. Leap forward into the Skytech Archangel series with the newest architectures. Featuring the latest NVIDIA RTX series graphics cards and is powered by Intel Core i5 processor. The Skytech Archangel delivers the best price to performance value gaming rig in the market. The Skytech Archangel offers the best gaming computer built up to date to quickly run popular games such as Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Battlefield V, New World, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and more at ultra settings, detailed 1440p Quad HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. Specifications: manufacturer. Processor is Intel Core i5-12400F 2.5 GHz CPU memory, 16GB DDR4 3200 gaming memory with heat spreader video card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB GDDR6 graphics card SSD is 1TB NVMe SSD operating system. Microsoft Windows 10 Home 64-bit case. Skytech Archangel gaming case with tempered glass, white Wi-Fi is 802.11 AC fans, 3 RGB ring fans for maximum airflow. Product images used on this page are for illustrative purposes only and do not indicate the exact components used at the time of manufacture. The component makes and models may vary from product depictions in product images but will adhere to the specification outlined in the product's main description. Last in our top 5 best pre-built gaming PC under 1,500 list is Acer Predator Orion 3000. Take your game to the next level. Acer Predator Orion 3000 lets you play with higher settings, faster frame rates and more powerful multitasking capabilities than standard gaming PCs. Featuring more power to game and stream simultaneously with no lag, a Skytech Blaze 3.0 gives gamers even more power to back up your teammates and create better content. Maintain high frame rates even while live streaming your game. Build a following by starting your own live stream and confidently deliver a beautifully smooth viewing experience for your fans. Uncompromising features and smooth performance are finally the standard for every gamer and artist. NVIDIA DLSS is groundbreaking AI rendering that boosts frame rates with uncompromised image quality using the dedicated AI processing tensor cores on GeForce RTX. This gives you the performance headroom to crank up settings and resolutions for an incredible visual experience. The AI revolution has arrived to gaming. Take your creative projects to a new level with GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs. Delivering AI acceleration in top creative apps. Whether you're rendering complex 3D scenes, editing 4K video, or live streaming with the best encoding and image quality, GeForce RTX GPUs give you the performance to create your best. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.